Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. In this video, we'll be discussing a Python-based application to make COVID-19 tracker. As far as requirements of building this application is concerned, it requires Python and all the libraries that should be installed. That is Tinker, Request. You would know about libraries once when we see the code. And secondly, we will have IDE as Visual Studio Code, or you can use any other code editor in which Python can be run. Just make sure, guys, you have all the necessary libraries installed in your system so that we can build this application in a flow. And if you do not have any libraries installed in your system, you can install the any libraries from terminal by using pip install command. So with that being said, let's have a look on the code of this particular application. That is this. Initially, we have imported all the necessary libraries, that is JSON, Tinker, Request, Datetime. Now we have created a function that is get COVID data. So we have used this particular link as an API link that will fetch the data from this database and will display it in the canvas we have created using Tinker library. So what we have done is through this particular link, the data will be fetched. We have requested this particular API to get to give us the data. So in this particular link, all the data is in JSON format. So we have converted the JSON format data into string format data. And then we have put all this data into our canvas, which we have created through this Python Tinker library. So what we have fetched from this particular API link is that total number of cases as total cases, total deaths, total cases recovered, total cases updated at, and all these data is fetched from this API link. Which data is fetched? That is total deaths, total cases, till total deaths up till date, and total recovered, today recovered, right? And this particular function will fetch the data from this particular API link and will display it in the canvas which we have created. Now it's just an easy task that you need to just we have created a function called get COVID data, and we have created and through this particular API link we have fetched the data, right? So once we have fetched the data in all these formats in string format, basically the data was in JSON format, that is JavaScript object notation, but we have converted into a string format and then we have displayed in our canvas. So this is basically an entire Python function that will fetch the data from this particular API link. Now through canvas library, through Tinker library, we have created a canvas or small UI of size 400 cross 400, which title is COVID-19 tracker. We have set the font as 15 and bold, and we have created some buttons like load and reload, right? So this is from this particular code applet have created the UI of this particular application, and in this UI it contains the data in through this logic. So let's hit the run button and see what happens. So the program is running. It will give a UI window that will contain all the data that we have put in. So as you can see that this particular Python application is giving this as the output. So let's map our program with our output. So as you can see that this particular canvas, square canvas, is created through this particular code applets. Button, COVID-19 tracker. As you can see, COVID-19 tracker bold. We have created a date time function too, that till this particular date we have done all these till 17 September. We have 9:56 a.m. So it's total cases, total deaths, total deaths recovered. So today's deaths. So it's basically depends on the date time also. If you will see in this particular code applet in the evening, it may give a different output. So as you can see that this canvas is created through this particular library. These all data is being fetched through this API link which we have given, and then we have fetched the JSON data, and then we have converted into a string format, and then we have put all these data into a certain canvas which we have built using Tinker library, and we have done this analysis. So it was till 9:56 a.m. right? So let's hit run button and let's again see for 10:32 a.m. that is present time. I have run this data again. So it's again the data has been fetched from this API link. So guys, this was an entire Python application that will help us to give the COVID-19 status or COVID-19 data that involves total deaths, total cases, today's deaths and today recovered, which will help the organizations or medical staffs to get a brief idea about the total number of cases and can arrange the facilities or medical facilities accordingly. So guys, I think the code was precise and clear enough. The code was understandable enough. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to our channel, My Project Ideas, in order to get some more interesting stuff in technical domain. See you in the next video guys. Till then, keep growing and keep exploring. Thank you.